You're taking a relaxing stroll at the beach, enjoying the sun, and come across a washed-up sperm whale carcass. But wait, what is that foul stench that hangs in the air? Perhaps the rotting flesh of the whale, or maybe this, an ambergris. Ambergris, or
Ambergris,
in French, is a waxy and flammable substance colloquially known as whale vomit, which is formed in the intestines of about 1 in 100 sperm whales. That's right, it's a very rare occurrence, usually expelled from the rear end of a whale. And for something that comes out from the rear end of an animal, this is way too expensive, sometimes even selling for US dollars 25 a gram. Historically, ambergris was widely used both in the eastern and the western hemisphere. The ancient Egyptians used it as a fragrance in the form of incense sticks. Moving on to ancient China, they called it a dragon spittle fragrance and is used in modern medicine to improve blood circulation. In Europe, during the Middle Ages, balls of ambergris was hung around the neck to help prevent contracting the plague, as they thought the stench caused the disease. Why, even King Charles II of England used a hint of ambergris on his eggs, and renowned British chefs used it to flavor ice cream. Alright, enough of history. So how is an ambergris actually formed? The primary diet of a sperm whale consists of the giant squid, whose beaks are indigestible. These beaks, when lodged in the intestines, cause irritation, due to which the whale releases a secretion to encase it and passes it with its feces. And yes, just in case if you're wondering, if this does get large enough, it can rupture the whale's intestines and it could die. In either case, the ambergris floats to the surface and reaches shore. Because of its rarity and demand, producers are turning to more sustainable resources. Hence, synthetic ambergris is used mostly these days for fragrance. A company called Firmenich have lab engineered a chemical called sclareol. Wait, did I get that right? That's right, sclareol, derived from the sage plant. The end product is derived by putting the sage DNA into E.Coli bacteria in a bioreactor, which produces large amounts of, again, sclareol. Despite all odds, a fishing village in the coastal town of Aden in Yemen have hit the jackpot. Guess what? During a routine fishing trip, the fishermen spotted something large floating off in the distance. As they neared it, they realized that it's a dead sperm whale. They brought the carcass to shore only to find that it has an ambergris weighing 130 kilograms, valued at over 1.5 million US dollars. Leave down in the comments below if your perfume bottle has natural ambergris or ambroxan for fragrance. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Gimme Facts and check out some of the other videos we have on our channel. It's showing up somewhere here on the screen.